In this video, we'll be using one of my braiding wig caps to do a box braid. I'll be using yellow, orange, and red. A regular 3-strand braid, yellow would go on top to go in the middle, then red would go on top to go in the middle, then it'd be orange, yellow, red. This is your regular 3-strand braid. If you were to go Dutch, meaning upside down, yellow will go under first. Instead on top, it would go under. This is a Dutch braid. So red goes under, orange goes under, yellow goes under. Box braid is joining both. You're going to go both under and on top at the same time. So your yellow will split in half. It goes under and on top at the same time to join in the middle. Then red splits in half and it goes under and on top to join in the middle. Then orange splits in half. It goes under and on top to join in the middle. Then you have yellow. Then red. So this is both a regular 3-strand braid and a Dutch braid together. Split it in half, under and on top to join in the middle. Yellow splits in half, under and on top to join in the middle. And this is how you do your box braid. See, it looks 3D all the way around. Feel free to do a ponytail here. I just brought mine up. So pretend this would have been the yellow, split it in half, joins into the middle. This would have been my red strand, split it in half to go back and meet in the middle. This would have been my orange strand, split in half to go meet in the middle. And keep going all the way down until you run out of hair. You can pull on each one of them. So you have a braid on top and a braid on the side and a braid on the bottom. And there's your box braid, nice and big. So what we can do now is we can go ahead and make it go around in a circle and do an updo quite easily. So we're going to pin it where my fingers are. And now shape it accordingly. I'm going to add some wire jewelry. This is one way to use a box braid to do an updo, and then we're using wired hair jewelry to finish it.